Welcome to B30, the channel where we explore life strategies, productivity tips, and self-improvement techniques as you approach 30. Today, we're going to talk about 6 decision-making methods that can help you make better, faster, and more informed choices in your personal and professional life. Decision-making is one of the most important skills you can develop, and these methods will give you the tools you need to improve. Let's dive right in. Number 6, the Pareto analysis, 80-20th rule. The Pareto analysis, also known as the 80-20th rule, is a powerful decision-making tool that helps you focus on the 20% of actions that will generate 80% of the results. It's all about identifying the tasks, strategies, or decisions that will have the biggest impact. For example, if you're trying to increase business revenue, you may find that 20% of your clients bring in 80% of your profits. Focus your efforts there for maximum efficiency. This method helps you cut through the noise and prioritize what truly matters. Number 5, the Sinefin framework. The Sinefin framework helps you categorize decisions based on the complexity of the situation. It breaks down decisions into 4 domains: simple, complicated, complex, and chaotic. For simple decisions, you apply best practices. For complicated situations, you bring in expert knowledge. Complex problems require you to experiment, and chaotic situations demand immediate action. By understanding the type of decision you're dealing with, the Sinefin framework helps you apply the right strategy to each situation. Number 4, the decision tree. The decision tree is a visual tool that helps you map out the potential outcomes of different decisions. It's like a flowchart that breaks down each option and its possible consequences, allowing you to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Decision trees are especially useful for complex decisions where you have multiple options and need to evaluate the risks and rewards of each. By following the tree branches, you can see where each path might lead and make the most informed choice. Number 3, the OODA loop. The OODA loop stands for observe, orient, decide, and act. It was originally developed for military strategy, but it's incredibly useful in fast-paced decision-making environments like business and personal life. First, you observe the situation, gather data, and identify key factors. Then you orient yourself by analyzing the information and understanding your options. Next, you make a decision based on your analysis, and finally, you act. The OODA loop is a continuous cycle, helping you adapt quickly to changing circumstances and stay ahead of the game. Number 2, rational decision-making model. The rational decision-making model is a structured and logical approach to decision-making. This model breaks down the process into several steps. Define the problem, identify the criteria for a successful outcome, weigh the criteria, generate alternatives, evaluate each alternative, and then make your decision. This method is great for big, important decisions where you need to be as objective as possible. It takes emotion out of the equation and focuses purely on logic and data to guide your choices. Number 1, the Vroom-Yetton decision model. The Vroom-Yetton decision model is designed to help you determine the best approach to decision-making based on the situation and the people involved. It emphasizes the role of leadership and collaboration in the decision-making process. Sometimes a leader should make decisions alone, while other times it's better to involve a group. This model guides you through a series of questions to determine whether you should make a decision individually, consult your team, or collaborate fully. It's particularly useful for managers and leaders who need to balance authority with team input. By mastering these methods, you can become a more effective decision maker in every area of your life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could use better decision-making skills. Remember, the quality of your decisions determines the quality of your life. See you in the next video.